welcome to a new part of this channel called Need for Speed Build Battles. Yay! I'm being joined by a duck. I've been joined by a piggy wiggy. Where is she? She's over here. Right. Being joined by Piggy Wiggy.
Yeah.
And is Mr. Bush Baby on here? Yeah, where's Mr. Bush Baby?
He is, but I don't think he's taken.
Is he judging? Judging. This fabulous masterpiece was, I think, made by me. Yeah, it was.
How?
Need for Speed Build Battles. So I'm gonna. How long do we have again?
I think we're gonna have as long as we want because the Krusty Krab could take a while.
So the Dark Lord is building a Krusty Krab. So we have the time that he's doing that to build stuff whilst he builds his crab.
No,
Okay.
we're building the Krusty Krab.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't watch SpongeBob.
And basically, what we're gonna have as long as we want because the Krusty Krab may take a while, and you don't have to do the inside. You don't.
Oh, okay then. So we'll.
Start when you're ready. I'll just tell Piggy Wiggy that we're ready.
Because she's not in the party. Party.
I'm just gonna put a green block down.
Can we build different variations? Because I don't know what it looks like. Because I don't watch SpongeBob.
Okay, anything SpongeBob.
So I can build a big sponge. No, I know what I'm going to build.
In SpongeBob. It has to be in SpongeBob.
Okay, I know what I'm going to build. Wait, does it have a flag or is it a straw? Oh, it doesn't matter. I'll build it anyway.
That's gonna be asking me because I'm not the person.
So we're gonna start. Okay, they've started. So mine's gonna be made out of quartz iron, and it's gonna be made out of iron bars. So I'm building. Oh, what's his name? The guy that lives in a bucket that wants to steal the Krusty Krab Maddie Paddy's recipe, I think it is.
Yeah,
Plankton. So I'm gonna build that. I don't know what it looks like. I'm just going with it. All I know what it looks like is a bucket. So that's what I'm going with. So I haven't uploaded in a while. It's just I've had stuff to do and stuff like that. So haven't we?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh. My nose is gonna be messed up now. I might sneeze because I needed to sneeze, but. I'm building a bucket. It's a bad bucket, I know. Ooh la 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 la, sing happy sing ba la la. Misha?
Yeah.
Don't they, Brian?
Oh, what?
These separations, every one of them's broken, haven't they?
Yeah.
Undo it.
Well, my decorations are like all broken. So Yeah. Pardon me. I'm just building a bucket that I think it looks like. I haven't watched SpongeBob in years.
Really? I watch it all the time.
I don't know, Misha. That's the enjoyments of being old.
Okay.
Although I'm not old.
Nice way to say it.
I'm not old. That's what I'm saying. I hope I'm not old.
But you're not like old.
It's just, I am becoming. Oh, you guys are gonna win. I don't know what it looks like at all.
Look on the internet.
I'm just, I can't. Because that means I'm gonna have to change my screen over. So have a look at it.
That's why you should never ever do a video if you're not prepared.
Well, I was kind of prepared. It was just like, we jumped into a flat world. Misha said, oh, why don't we do build battles? And then, yeah. My sisters have all got my sisters have got my laptop, and my computer is connected to the same screen as my Xbox. So dunno why. Can I have some? Can I have a pie? Like one of them small pies with some chips. Dad, what are you having for dinner? Oh, can I have some Chinese? Okay. So. I'm failing right now, Misha. I'm failing at this. Yeah. With some meatballs. No, not meatballs. Oh, what am I gonna do? Oh, iron door with some iron plates. There we. I'm making like a fantasy thing because I don't watch SpongeBob, so either it's Ewan likes it or Ewan hates it. I meant Dark Lord hates it. I don't know who Ewan is.
Whoa. Piggy Wiggy
Is Piggy Wiggy doing really good? It's Miss Piggy Wiggy.
It's Piggy Wiggy.
I don't think she's gonna like us calling her that. It's just she doesn't want people to know her name. Oh, please don't tell me. Yeah, Bush baby. Bush baby, say hi. Bush baby, say hello. Oh, he's.
Just saying, the charm bucket is kind of grey.
Well, I'm sorry. I haven't watched this in years, so can't blame me. I'm doing okay.
Okay.
Do you think I'm doing okay?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. At least someone does. Oh, that's got dirt down there. I don't want dirt. Now I need some water or lava. What one should I do?
I think it's going well.
That looks awesome. Yep, that's what I'm going to do for the next one.
I don't know how big this is supposed to be, to be honest.
burnt.
Reggie and Bowley's next one. It is quite good. So their song. So I reckon it should be 2 girls and Reggie and Bowley then.
So I think oh, I'm not done. Nope.
No, she changed
I'm just improvising, guys. So
at last minute.
There's a lot of rooms in the shop market, so it's kind of confusing.
so I'm just gonna have some money things here. Gonna put a counter down.
He has that lab, doesn't he?
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna put loads of brewing stands around.
I have no clue if this is going on or not.
There we go. This looks good.
I haven't really stuck them down. I did the window ones.
There we go. Looks like it stays
Press
there.
that tree though.
Whoa, if she listens.
I think lights
Oh,
really made
crap.
it, don't they? Should do. There's 400 lights on it.
I'm doing pretty bad, guys. Yes.
Ryan,
I've kept the box.
What?
I've taken down like
you
this.
may want to end the video.
Okay. Why?
Because I may have just said Piggy Wiggy's name.
They probably didn't hear.
I think they kind of did. Before you upload it, you better check because she's a little too furious at you.
Yeah, you only said it once anyway.
Chloe, you turn the lights on.
It's a big
If she does have an account though, I will mention it in the description. So you can go look her up. Ooh.
Yeah. Well, she does have an account, but
She deleted all of her photos. No, not photos. Her things. Videos. That's what
she doesn't have any videos. She's not allowed to use it.
Oh, okay then. Well, I think I am almost finished. And so's the video. I'm going to carry it on for a couple more minutes. Then I'm going to see you guys
Yeah, but
later.
we're not finished, are we?
Who are you guys?
Yeah.
I'll do a part 2 to this then. Where are trapdoors? Well, guys, I'm going to finish off this episode, but in the next episode of this, I'll do a part 2 because I'm nowhere near finished. So, see you guys in part 2.